proudly brought to you by Hovertech. Hovertech, just a button away.
In this video tutorial, I'll be explaining how to bypass factory reset protection or FRP on a Qualcomm Android device using Miracle Box. First off, you need to have installed your Qualcomm drivers. We have a guide on how to do that. You also need to have Miracle Box. I have my Miracle Box here. And just in case you don't know, FRP happens when you do a factory reset from recovery mode on a Qualcomm device which has been linked to a Google account. Okay, so the device asks you for the credentials of the Google account which had been signed into the account before the factory reset. So to bypass FRP, first of all you need to launch Miracle Box. So I'm going to launch and wait. When Miracle Box comes up, you click on Qualcomm and then you click on Extra. Now you will notice that port is empty, so you open Device Manager. You can now right click this PC or my computer, select Device Manager, or use the Windows search menu to find Device Manager. Now in Device Manager, take note of what you have under port. I have just 3 entries here. Now you boot the device into EDL mode and then you connect to the PC via USB cord. EDL is emergency download mode. Now I have Qualcomm HS USB QD loader 9008. I'm going to do that again. Alright, so I have this entry here. Now you go back to Miracle Box. You click on ports. Now the Qualcomm device should get detected. Now under Extra, you click remove account lock bracket order and then you click start button and you wait while Miracle Box removes FRP. So it says done. Now you can disconnect the device and power it up and FRP should be removed. So that's how to bypass factory reset protection or FRP on a Qualcomm Android device using Miracle Box.